All right, I just got this new head shaver. I've been testing out several of these things because my old one was starting to smell a little bit from getting water in the wrong parts of it. But I'm going to be trying out this one today and see if I like it. This one's interesting in that it unfolds a little bit differently in order to clean it. You actually lift up these things around the side. There's like a little edge right here that you can use to pry up, and then that's how you clean it. So we'll try that out after using it and see how that works. It's also interesting in that it has a button here. It's kind of hidden out of the way, but that's where the power button is, right here. And then when you turn it on, it tells you time of use, and that first number was actually how long you have left to use it. So it has about 90 minutes of runtime, and then it tells you how long you use it after that that displays as well. So I'm going to try this out, and we'll see how it goes. I like how big this is, so theoretically it should take less time to cut my hair, but we'll test that out. So it works pretty good. Looks like I used it for about 2 minutes, which means that I could shave my head like 50 times with this thing without having to charge it. That was just a little bit less than I used to use my other head shaver. And I probably could have used it for even less time, but I like to be thorough, so I just wanted to make sure I get every itty bitty hair. And yeah, it did a good job. I would say that this nice big head definitely allowed me to shave my head a little bit faster than I usually do. So it's good in that regard. It felt smooth. I didn't feel any tugging on my hairs. No cuts or anything like that. So I'd say it's good like that too. So I'm going to try to clean this thing and see how easy it is to clean as well. I'm just going to flip up these edge pieces. And then you can also twist this middle piece out and just take that out completely. That way you can see all the things that you need to clean. It does come with a little brush as well, so you can use that to kind of brush some of the hair off. Both the blades and also the interior. It does say to detach the whole head mechanism before running it underwater. So you want to take that off first, and then you can run this underwater. Then you're just going to want to set this somewhere to dry somewhere. And yeah, that's pretty easy to clean. I would say it's probably easier to clean this than other head shavers that I've used in the past. It also comes with lots of goodies as well in this box. Got a charging cable. I've never even used one of these things, but you got that brush and that as well. Also comes with like a razor shaver, ear or nose hair trimmer, and a hair trimmer as well. So you got various accessories that you can use and attach to. They attach right here to this piece here, and that just oscillates whatever attachment that you have on there. Your USB-C right there is how you charge it. So yeah, seems like a pretty good razor. This will be in my top 2 so far in terms of which ones I like so far. So yeah, I recommend it. It's pretty nice.